what you say it is?
Alright, Tim, press the 1 button. Okay.
So what you say is that we can't just press all buttons?
No.
Why?
Because they'll confuse the thing, we'll probably get stuck in it.
So what if I just want to do it?
And you're not going to, I won't let you. Quit. Quit. Stop. Quit.
So, we're going back up.
There is no up.
We're one. Oh. So why can't we just do it? He says that we can't just push a button. Can we do that?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, I'm just going to push all kind of buttons.
No. You're not going to push the button.
I'm going to make a 6.
No. No. How you plan on making a 6? For additional multiplication.
Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. You won't know that makes sense.
No.
Oh, just open the door while we're in the elevator.
No. I don't think that'll actually happen. I thought we were going to get some tissue.
Where the bathroom at?
This way.
Okay, you go there and I'm going to do it.
Oh, you are so cheap. You're cheaper than a 99-cent store. I got a call?
This one,
No, that's my reminder. It means that I have to do my push-ups. Yay! You ready to bust these guns? See, there goes that expensive. What?